Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable HubSpot CRM custom properties for accurate lead data step by step clearly. To enable custom properties in HubSpot CRM for accurate lead data, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your dashboard, which is typically the first screen you see upon logging in. Locate and click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, find and select properties in the left sidebar. Once you're in the Properties section, click on the Create Property button. Choose the object type for which you want to create the custom property, such as contact, company, deal, or ticket. Provide a descriptive name for your custom property that clearly indicates its purpose. Select the type of field you want to create, such as text, drop-down, checkbox, or date picker. Fill in any additional details, such as a description and help text, to guide users on how to fill in this property. Set the property to be required or not required based on your data collection needs. Click Next to proceed and set the visibility for the new property. Decide which teams will have access to view and edit this custom property. Review your settings before finalizing, ensuring everything meets your requirements. Once satisfied, click the Create button to save your new custom property. To use your custom property for lead data, navigate back to your dashboard. When adding new leads or editing existing ones, you will now see your custom properties available. Input the relevant data into these fields to ensure you capture accurate information. This enhancement will help you tailor your CRM experience and improve lead management effectiveness. Your custom properties are now set up and ready to enhance your HubSpot CRM experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.